This video will demonstrate how to properly perform a daily clean and sanitize on the Airpot server. Bond recommend the 3-step method for cleaning and sanitizing the server. Run a complete brew cycle of just of hot water into the server. Let it set for a minute. Empty the server by pumping handle on top. Open the lid by pressing the buttons located on either side of the nozzle and lifting. Remove the pump tube assembly. With a brush and a cleaning solution, clean the pump tube assembly. Then clean the top of the server with a cleaning solution. Fill server with a cleaning solution and let set for 1 minute. Reassemble the pump tube assembly. Empty the server by pumping the handle. Fill server with a non-chlorine sanitizing solution and let set for 5 minutes. Reassemble the pump tube assembly. Empty the server by pumping the handle. Thoroughly rinse server with fresh water. This completes the cleaning and sanitizing process.